Hi guys, it's Phoebe. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Based off of this, I'm assuming that I probably got booed, but this wonderful happy mail comes from my lovely friend Cara. So hi Clarissa. I'm smiling because just a couple of days ago, I sent in my entry for her hashtag You've Been Booed Challenge 2022, basically where you submit some happy mail to a friend, you don't notify them, you don't tell them about it, you just wait for them to get booed. It's a little play on words, and you just try to spread happiness and joy and yeah, just coming together as a little community and just doing something fun for one another. So I sent in my entry just a couple of days ago and here she is sending me something. So I was just like, what did you do, Clarissa? Anyways, I just thought it was like we were in sync or something. We're on the same wavelength. And so the same day that she sent this out, she had received my entry, so I thought that was kind of funny. Saying, for those who are new to my channel, Clarissa, she's a really good, sweet friend of mine. She's practically like family to me. And honestly, a lot of my close friends and stuff, I view them as family. I know I haven't said it because I don't want to come off as weird, but I see all like sisters, cousins, tias, and all that. But anyways, so Clarissa, she's a wonderful creator here on YouTube. She does her junk journals. So if you're interested in that, be sure to head over to her channel and check her out. She does craft alongs with me. She does little tutorials here and there from time to time, crash your stash. And she also does some thrifty vlogs, and she also takes you like dice. She does little Daiso hauls as well. She does it all. She's very super talented, so definitely go check out my friend. Y'all will love her. Y'all will absolutely love her. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in because I'm sure she's really looking forward to me digging in. All right, let's go ahead and see what she sent me. Let's start off on this end here. Very carefully. Okay, here we go. She's open. Ooh, I feel something plushy. What is this? All right, let's slip this out. I hope I grabbed everything. Here she comes. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. Okay, so here is her card. Oh, I've been booed. There's a little tag. How cute. Oh, she sent me 2 cards. Let's do the orange one first. And how cute is this cute little skeletal guy? 2 adorbs. Oh, cute card, Cara. And it says Happy Halloween with this adorable ghosty that is so, so cute. I love it. Let's have a read. She says, hi, dear BB. Happy Halloween. Surprise. You've been booed. How you booing? Instead of how you doing? How cute. She says, wishing you and your family a fun Halloween celebration. Hugs, Cara. P.S. Cat Dracula is for Paul and ghosties for you. Thank you. Hope this happy mail brings you a smile. I'm already smiling and I've only opened up the card. Had you just sent me the card, that would have been enough. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, thank you. Happy Halloween, Cara. You sweet you. Oh my goodness, how cute. All right, so this is the second card with this little skeletal guy too. I love his eyes. Let's have us read. Oh, this is so adorbs, you guys. It says trick or treat. Look at this little Frankenstein. Oh, I love her. She's so cute. Oh, they're all so cute. Love it. All right, let me have a read. Okay, so this is for Jaziel and Paul. So I'm going to have them read it. I'll have them read it, but that is so cute. Look at its googly eyes. How fun. Okay, so she says the Cat Dracula is for Paul, so I'll be on the lookout for that. All right, let's see. Oh my god, where do I start? It's just so much. Okay, okay, so let's do this little guy first, and it looks like it's Super Pets, and that is gonna be such a fun toy for him to play with. He loves minis, so this is perfect for Paul. Absolutely loves it. Oh, look at this cute little ghosty. Oh my gosh, he's gonna go on my bag. I actually was looking at Paul's backpack the other day, and I was like, how cute would that be if we had like a little doodad hanging off of it. So this is so cute. It makes me want to do that on one of my little backpacks too. We'll be traveling soon, and this guy's definitely going on that bag. So it's absolutely perfect. I'm gonna put him over here with Greg Jr. And then this is for Paul. He's gonna love it. Look how cute he is with this tuxedo. Ay, que chulo. And he's even got a dramatic cape on the back. Oh, how handsome. What a cutie. I'm gonna put him right here. How cute. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little bag, you guys. Oh, and it's Hello Kitty, Sanrio little characters. Oh, this is so cute. And this little drawstring bag is like, I wish you guys could feel it. It feels very thick and sturdy, but look at those illustrations on there. How pretty. For Bianca, love Cara, surprise. Oh, I love this going in my journal. What a cute little tag that's gonna make. I dropped my ghosty, he flew away. All right, let's go ahead and look in here. Oh my gosh, she's filled it up to the brim, good Lord. All right, so first up we have some Hello Panda chocolate. Oh, that looks so yummy. Thank you. And let's see, I'll have to definitely try that. She sent me some Kit Kats with a little witch. That is so cute. She sent me some Kit Kats not too long ago from, she sent me some Happy Meals, and she had sent me some different flavored Kit Kats, and I'm still saving one of them because they were so good. I couldn't eat them all at once. Oop, and here she sent me some, some ghoulish green Snickers bar in fun size. Who doesn't love fun size? Oh, look how cute, these little pops. They look like little pops. Oh, I saw her featuring these on one of her videos, and I'm assuming that they're from Daiso because they've got this little description here. I can't read it, but they look yummy. Ah, she sent me some hand sanitizer. Girl, I go through hand sanitizer like crazy. I love this stuff. Thank you. Oh, look how cute that deer is. I want to smell it. Oh yes, this smells really good. This is going with me on my trip, and it's definitely going in my purse. Thank you. Oh, she gave me some chapstick. I also use this a lot. I love chapsticks. I love them, love them. I use them so much. Every day, actually. I'm obsessed with with chapsticks. Oh, look at this. I'm here for the booze. Ah, I love this. Oh, thank you. Sorry if that was really loud, but this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Ah, I can't wait to use that with one of my drinks. I love it. And then she sent me a mask. Ooh, I'm gonna have to do a mask Monday. Ooh. And this one is in apple essence. Oh, I bet that's gonna be delicious. And once again, with this cute little Hello Kitty edition face mask. And how cute will it just be like in my cute little pouch here? That is absolutely perfect. You packaged this so beautifully, Cara. Thank you. Oh my gosh, you're spoiling me. And she sent me a little spatula. It's a good size spatula, actually. This is really good. Mine actually come to maybe right here. So it's got a large handle, which is perfect for cooking so I don't burn myself. You've been booed. This is so cute. It's gonna be perfect for my kitchen. So I'm definitely gonna use that. And then she sent us, oh wow, Cara. Oh my gosh. She sent me the whole bag. You didn't have to do that. Oh my gosh. Mini, she sent 11 of them in this little bag, and I love this bag. How cute would that be for like a cover? Wouldn't that be cute? I could definitely, I'm keeping the bag. So cute. I can't wait to try these. I bet these are gonna be so delicious. Thank you for that. And then she said, Paul, ooh, he's gonna be all tatted up. He loves tattoos. Oh my gosh, does he ever love tattoos? And she's put little pumpkin here that says Happy Halloween. And Paul's definitely gonna use these, like, a lot. He loves tattoos. And let's put that over here. Oh my gosh, there's so much, Cara. And then she did a little goodie bag for Paul. How sweet is this? And cute. And look how she packaged this. She's honestly the best. Look at this face. That is adorable. Oh, this is so sweet, Cara. Thank you. And she sent one for Haciel as well. You can see Paul's got a little green hand here, and Jazel's got a spooky black one. And look at their dorky little faces. How cute are those? I love this. They're gonna love this so much. Thank you. I'll have them come in here in a little bit and unbox it with you guys. And then here we've got some rub-on transfers. Oh my gosh, I'm working on a project right now, and these are absolutely perfect for that. So this is perfect, Cara. Thank you so, so much. I love that. And ooh, she sent me iridescent stickers. I love iridescent anything, you guys. Love that. Look how cool these are. Love those. Oh, these are so cute. Thank you. And this is 36 pieces. Wow. Love that. Even this is cute. I like that little pumpkin. And then she sent me some Halloween sticker sheets that look like wax seals. And do you see this witch riding on her broom? These are so stinking precious. I love wax seals. I've recently started using them a lot, so I'm like obsessed with them right now. And I don't think it'll ever go away because they're so pretty. And last but not least, she sent some wood tags for other projects too. So maybe I can boo somebody. These would be so adorbs. Thank you, Cara. Thank you so, so much. All right, let me go ahead and bring in the boys so they can unbox their goodies and show what Cara spoiled them with. I'll be right back. All right, so I've brought the boys now. They're here. You guys, we've been booed by my beautiful friend, Cara.
Booed?
We've been booed.
Yeah. Sounds like a bad thing.
In this case, it's a good thing. Yes, Cara gave you this. Do you remember Cara?
Yes,
she gave you this. And she sent you guys a lovely little card here.
Wow.
So go ahead and read the card out, Jaziel.
Oh, right. I'm the older one.
All right, I'll let you intervene.
Prepare for me to make multiple mistakes. All right. To Haciel and Paul, may you receive lots of treats and little tricks. Happy Halloween. I cannot.
Wishing
Wishing you a fun-filled Halloween. Laughs, Cara. Thank you, Cara. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Cara. Thank you, Cara.
Cara. I have like a friend that's the same name. Sorry.
How sweet. That was so sweet of her.
I like the card.
I know, it's cute. Look at the little googly eyes.
Candy! Who got this candy?
You should have unboxed it here so everyone could see what you got. I think I got it. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
We got stickers.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
We got a bone.
I got stickers.
I might use this for something.
All right,
I might use this for decorations. We got some candy.
Very nice.
Cheese
Oh,
balls.
Yummy.
Mini cheese balls?
How
Ooh.
cute.
We got
I want to eat these.
We got Kit Kats. And we got all this more. And then the rest are some goodies that are used for crafting.
Mama, who got me a little book? That's
Oh, how cute. You got a little booklet there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they look like potions.
Oh, thank you, Cara, for this bag. This
Oh,
is
that
so
is-
cute.
Oh my god, I like the little
Oh, thank you for
pumpkins.
this pumpkin, Cara. Thank you. Look.
I love it. Oh, I think this is like a
Wait,
little
I got my candy.
styrofoam sticker. Very cute.
Hey, Mama.
Yeah, got the styrofoam.
Super dope. Super dope.
I like the blue one. The blue one's my more favorite.
Hey,
You like the
Mama,
blue pumpkin?
I want to open these.
Oh, enter if you dare. Enter if you dare. Don't turn back.
Thank you, Cara.
Oh, I think it's like a little like I think it's like a little flip book, I think, or something like that.
He's so cute, Cara. Thank you.
I don't know.
And thank you for
And then
this little guy.
Look how tiny these are, you guys.
Oh my gosh.
They're so cute.
Oh.
I love that. There you go.
Oh. Oh, it's a pumpkin maze. Ooh. Thank you. I'm going to be eating the treats. Very
That's
fast.
very sweet of her.
Thank you.
How cute.
Thank you, Cara.
Thank you.
Thank you, Cara.
Thank you so much. They love it.
And thank you for the book.
Thank you for the book.
Thank you for the stick. I need this.
Well, thank you for booing us. We appreciate it so much, Cara. Oh my goodness.
Mama.
This was so much fun to
Open
unbox all
this.
these wonderful
Pirate
goodies. Yeah, we're going to put little pirate tattoos on you later. But that wraps it up for us, you guys. Thank you so much for joining us for this lovely unboxing on the hashtag You've Been Booed 2022. And I will catch you guys on the next one. And Cara, once again,
Hey,
we
Mama,
appreciate
I
it
wanna eat
so,
these
so much.
later.
Thank you. Sending you hugs and kisses. Bye, guys.